Hello, everyone! Welcome to this amazing week. Today, we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives means possession. Okay, now let's see. Here we have the word his. His. His means that something belongs to a boy. Look to this handsome boy. His. Like it is his t-shirt. This t-shirt belongs to this handsome boy. It is his t-shirt. The word her means that something belongs to a girl. Hair. Let's read an example. It is her bathing suit. This bathing suit belongs to this pretty girl. It is her bathing suit. Hair. Well done. It is her bathing suit. The word eats means that something belongs to an animal, like this dog. Eats. Let's read the sentence. It is its bag. It is its bag. This bag belongs to this cute pet. Now we have the word my. The word my means that something belongs to ourselves. It is my dress. Look, it is my dress. Perfect. Okay, babies, now it's time to practice.